Front brake hose inspection and removal, 2000 Ford F-150. Recommended tools will be an 11mm line wrench, which we did not have, so we used an adjustable wrench, which is not ideal. You'll also need a 14mm and a 10mm. Start by inspecting the hose by moving it around, looking for dry rotting or cracks next to the metal connections. If you find cracking or dry rotting, it's not recommended that you use that hose. If possible, use an 11mm line wrench to disconnect the brake line from the brake hose. If you don't have a line wrench, it's okay, we didn't have one either. Use a 10mm to disconnect the retaining nut holding the upper bracket in place. The bracket attaching the hose to the lower control arm is also 10mm. A 14mm banjo bolt attaches the brake hose to the caliper. . With all fasteners removed, remove the brake hose from the vehicle. Be sure to use new crush washers when installing the brake hose on your vehicle.